Did you know that 1 in 4 people suffer from chronic bad breath? Ever found yourself in a conversation desperately wishing you had a mint to offer, or maybe even wanting one yourself? You're not alone. Here's a fun fact. People with bad breath are often the last to know they have it. Most of us think we can mask it with mints or sprays, but what if I told you that's not really fixing the problem? Today, I'm here to share the surprising reasons behind chronic bad breath and reveal proven methods to tackle it once and for all. Say goodbye to those quick fix mints and sprays. Let's get to the root of the issue. So why does bad breath happen? And more importantly, how can we fix it? Let's break it down in simple, easy to digest bites, pun intended. Poor oral hygiene. This is the most common culprit. Bad breath, or as the fancy folks call it, halitosis, usually stems from oral bacteria having a party in your mouth. The best way to kick them out? Good, consistent oral hygiene. Here's your action plan. Brush twice a day. Use a high-quality electric toothbrush if you can. It's been proven to be more effective than manual brushing at getting rid of plaque. Floss daily. Yes, every single day. If you're not a fan of traditional flossing, try a water pick. It's just as effective and sometimes even better. Tongue scraping. Did you know your tongue is a hotspot for bacteria? Use a tongue scraper daily to help keep your breath fresh. Mouth rinses. While not absolutely necessary, antimicrobial mouthwashes can be a helpful addition. Listerine, for example, comes with the American Dental Association's seal of acceptance. Dry mouth. If you've ever woken up with morning breath that could peel paint off the walls, dry mouth might be to blame. Low saliva flow allows bacteria to build up faster, leading to that not-so-fresh feeling. What can cause dry mouth? Medications. Some prescriptions can cause dry mouth. If you suspect this, chat with your doctor. Mouth breathing often happens if nasal breathing is restricted due to a deviated septum or allergies. Consider discussing this with your doctor or an ENT specialist. See it. We all know garlic and onions can cause temporary bad breath, but did you know that some people have trouble digesting certain foods, which can lead to chronic bad breath? Also, smoking is a big no-no for fresh breath. The solution here? It's pretty straightforward. Try eliminating certain foods, and if you're a smoker, it might be time to quit. Allergies and post-nasal drip. If you're dealing with a constant post-nasal drip, it could be contributing to bad breath. Nasal rinses like a Net-Eye pot or Neil-Med can help, but if the issue persists, definitely consult your doctor. Serious medical conditions. In some cases, bad breath could be a sign of something more serious, like infections in the sinuses or throat, lung disease, or even conditions like diabetes or GERD. If you're noticing persistent bad breath despite good oral hygiene, it's best to see a healthcare professional. All right, let's sum up the key takeaways here. To tackle bad breath for good, stick to a solid oral hygiene routine, brush, floss, and scrape that tongue daily. Stay hydrated and be mindful of dry mouth. Talk to your doctor if medications are the issue. Watch your diet and lifestyle habits. Garlic is great, but maybe not right before a big date. Don't ignore allergies or chronic health issues. Sometimes bad breath is a symptom of something more. And there you have it. Say goodbye to those temporary fixes like mints and sprays. With these tips, you can tackle bad breath at the source. Remember, regular dental checkups are your best friend in this journey. Now I want to hear from you. What's been your biggest challenge with keeping your breath fresh? Share your thoughts or any tips you have in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with someone who might need these tips. Let's spread the word on fresh breath and make the world a more pleasant smelling place, one person at a time. That's it for today's chat. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep smiling and stay fresh, and don't forget to subscribe.